Hey guys, I'm Tom here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to see if I can't get any pigeons or doves or crows at the barn. We're using the Benjamin Maximus. I have a scope cam, 22, and we'll see if we can't get some pigeons. If you might be offended, if you're offended, do not watch this video. Like, there's hunting and there's gore, so don't watch this video if you might be offended. Thanks and enjoy.
Jingle merrily on high, in heaven the bells are ringing. Jingle merrily the sky is riven with angels singing. He's so giving loving, 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 he's so giving loving.
Drop them. First one down, boys. We're gonna go walk around and see if we can't get some more. Nice, you got him. You dropped him. Wait, let him see if they're gonna land. No, they're out. Alright, let's go. Check. Alright, we're unable to find him somewhere in the shed, but we saw him drop dead. Let's keep going, see if we can't get them in there. He's so giving loving, 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 he's so giving loving. I have perfect shot on him. Where is he? Go for a headshot. Missed him. That was a hard shot. See him? No, I had him you go on the side, I'll go around.
There we go.
I'll take a direct headshot.
Yep, he's squirming.
Oh, right. Come check him out. Right under the jaw.
Were you aiming there?
Yeah, that's all I could see. You see? Right there. You filming?
Oh shit.
Right under the jaw, guys. I could barely see him. He's in a little hole. Just get a good flare right in there. Decent. All right, 2 down. We got two pigeons, 1 dove, and 2 squirrels. Not bad. Let's keep going. Yeah, there's the hawk, guys.
Did he get him?
No, the pigeon's right there.
Where's the hawk going?
He's going back into the bush.
He was trying to chase the pigeon.
Yeah, there's a pigeon over.
Huh.
Well, it's over. Here it goes. We just witnessed a hawk going after a pigeon. Pretty damn cool, but he's taking her pigeons, which isn't that good. So we're gonna go sneak up in there, see if we can't get some pigeons. Ready? Bye. Another one bites at us, boys. Parkour. Alright, so far we've got 3 pigeons, 2 right here. One, we couldn't find him. We shot him in the barn right there, but we couldn't find him, so yeah, we're gonna keep going. We also got 2 squirrels back when we went in the bush. So basically what we did is that we came here first, went out in the woods. So we shot 2 pigeons here first, went out in the woods, got 2 squirrels, came back, shot another pigeon. So yeah, we'll go take a little break.
That was a snipe.
Just dropping pigeons today, guys. Filming? Yeah. Just dropping pigeons, guys. Dropping all the animals. Everything I aim at, I get. I missed 1 shot so far. Benjamin Maximus, love it. Gotta love it.
Sure he's back there?
Yeah, totally good. That's a dove, eh?
Yeah. Oh sweet. You gonna eat that?
Yeah, let's go eat it right now.
Snack time. Oh, I don't see him. See him? Oh, he's right here. Right up in that tree. In a friggin' prime spot.
Alright, ready guys? Here we go. Knocked him.
Oh shit.
Smacked him. Whoop whoop.
Minty.
Oh yeah, right in the brainer. Oh, right in the ear.
Dead?
Yeah.
Now we got dessert.
Smacked him. Every good hunter knows you gotta be hydrated. So today I'm gonna show you how to keep hydrated while hunting. Don't litter, kids. You want some? Here. Take some. Hydration! Ha! Ha! Wait, no, littering's not cool. Don't litter, kids. Don't litter. That's gonna be good. Hell yeah! Let's go. Oh shit. Let's go.
In the bush over there, on the ground. No, he's moving his head there. There, see him? He's on the ground now. I think that's him.
Go in the bush, guys. Keep an eye on. Moving fast.
Tree him. Pretty high. No, come over here. Could snipe him. Nope. How high is he? You think I can get him, or? He's up in this tree, guys. Can't get him. Get down, get some prone on there. Cranny. I shot right at the thing and it made a hole right through it, but it was just a little piece of wood.
You sure that was him though?
Except I can see his tail.
Where's his tail?
Here, load another pellet in there.
It's his tail.
Yeah.
Where?
Okay. Your gun's not level. It's not gonna. You're not gonna hit him. Oh shit!
Fucking.
How?
I don't know. I saw him.
Dude, that thing's mini.
I spotted him on the gator.
Yeah.
That was like I see that little fucking from.
Got a hole there.
Oh. That's definitely it. Oh, son of a gun. So I just hit a little red squirrel on here. He went down in this hole and
Pretty sure we got him the vitals because like when I hit him I saw him, he dropped really fast and he just scrummed in there, so I'm pretty sure it's just the nervous system got him. So either headshot or lung shot. He's in that little hole and dead probably by now. So yeah, that's good. Let's keep going. Alright guys, we're gonna go check one more time in here. Let's see if there's any more food.
You want one?
Yeah, he's on the edge though. He's right on the edge. There's a whole bunch of them. Holy smokes.
There's still some in there?
No, they just all flew out, I think. Mine's stuck on the edge though.
Shoot him again, maybe. You're about to see him? Are you loaded already?
Yeah. I'm gonna get him down though.
See him?
Yeah, you see him? Look right in there. Top right.
Oh, great.
Climb up?
No, don't climb up there. You just can't see anything.
Yeah, I'll just... Littering with Hunter Island. Got their water. Can't get that pigeon off the edge there. Right in there. Seems solid. Not when they're falling down super high. Watch yourself there, Budsky. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, whatever Spider-Man can he swing from a web? Yes he can, cause he's Spider-Man. Here comes the Spider-Man! Right! Did you get him? No. Alright, come back down. Looks pretty damn sketchy. Oh shit! Snow falling. Alright, good chatting. Alright, so the total tally up for what we got today was 3 pigeons, 1 that we shot, we don't know where it went unfortunately. Actually no, 4 pigeons, we got 1 up there too. So we got 4 pigeons today, we've only got 2 right now because one of them stuck in like a dip in the barn, and the other one's stuck up on the silo and we can't get it down. We got 2 red squirrels. I shot one back in the woods and it went down in a hole and died. This one I actually recovered out of the bush. I got a dove. I got 2 doves actually. One I shot there. I'm pretty sure it's the same dove though. It flew over that tree and I got it later. And we got 3 black squirrels, 1 that we shot Ryan shot back in the woods, and we don't know where it went. And these two big guys, we got them. So it's not bad for a day. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get all of the animals back, but we saw some really cool stuff and we had lots of fun. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for 1,000 subscribers. Absolutely awesome. Enjoy.